Today, thank you, Annie.yan from Wells Fargo, to taking time to speak some of the market update with us. Annie, I heard some
Hello,
of the news.
Tracy.
Hi.
Yes.
I heard some of the news about the increase in interest rate. It's quite a lot, in this week or something. So how's the interest rate right now?
Actually, today's interest rate did go up compared to yesterday, not just last week or the week before. Right now, the interest rates are pretty high. We can do some example on maybe on one of your listings, right? In Haywood, that we did an open house last week.
Yeah, so our listing price for our condo is $950. So of course, my buyers want to seek for a lower payment. So do you suggest anything that my clients can get some lower payment?
Yeah, so with this price range, let's say we're just gonna do a scenario with 20% down payment so we can compare apple to apple, okay? With this purchase price, your buyers can do either a conforming high balance loan or a jumbo loan. Because Wells Fargo, we can do jumbo loan once the loan amount is above 726,200. As long as they meet the jumbo loan guidelines, and they will get a much better interest rates over 1% difference. So for example, 950,000 purchase price in Haywood, and especially on your listing with the HOA fee, property tax, homeowner insurance, HOA fee together, it's about $1,278 monthly. And with the 20% down payment, the down payment will be 190,000. So that will leave the loan amount to 760,000. Okay. With the conforming high balance interest rate as of today, it is at 7.25% with the annual percentage rate of 7.346. That will give the buyers the monthly pay, just the mortgage payment, around $5,184.54, right? Once again, it's 5,184.54. So once you add the escrow payment on $1,278, that will give the total housing payment to be 6,462.54. So that's quite high amount for a 950,000 dollar property. Okay, compared to the jumbo loan, same scenario, 20% loan amount is also 760,000. The 30-year fixed interest rate, it's at 6% with the annual percentage rate of 6.079. So that will give the mortgage payment about 4,556.58, and adding the escrow payment, so that will be about 5,834.58. You can see, okay, with the same down payment, same purchase price, everything is the same. Conforming high balance versus jumbo, the monthly payment difference, it's almost $630. And client can easily get save this amount of money for something else.
Wow. Okay. So that's a big difference. That's a big difference. Can you explain a little bit more what is conforming high balance loan and what is jumbo loan, and who is qualified for the jumbo loan?
Okay, sure. So in the Bay Area counties like Santa Clara County, San Francisco, Contra Costa, Alameda, San Mateo, Marin counties, there are 3-tier loan limit. Okay, anything less than 726,200, we call those loan amount regular conforming loan. And any loan amount between 726,200 to 1.089 million, that is considered a conforming high balance loan. And anything above 1.089 million, that's considered a true jumbo loan. Wells Fargo, as long as you meet the jumbo loan guideline, okay, we will be able to give you the jumbo loan interest rates once your loan amount is above 726,200. Okay, who can qualify for jumbo loan? Okay, I can give you like some basic requirement for jumbo loan. Minimum credit score, 700 credit score for choosing any fixed interest rate mortgages, and 720 for any adjustable rate mortgages like 7-ARM, 10-ARM. The minimum down payment, 20%. Okay. And the debt to income ratio, max we can do 43% of the total income. Okay, that's the debt to income ratio. Reserve, okay, we do require reserve besides the down payment and closing costs. So we would need minimum 12 months of the housing payment reserve for any loan amount up to $2 million. And gift money, it is allowed. Any family member can contribute to the down payment and closing costs. Okay, and that's the basic jumbo loan program, Tracy.
Okay, great. So I think in order for the buyers to save some money, for their monthly payment, if they are able to qualify for the jumbo loan, and we'll recommend them to do a jumbo loan, is that right?
Yes, definitely, right? And I know some of the clients might think jumbo loan have high cost, which is not true. Okay, like for example, I'll give you an example in Wells Fargo, since I work for Wells Fargo. Jumbo loan, the origination fee, flat fee, it's $1,650 regardless of the loan amount. Okay, so that's the only fee Wells Fargo charge for a jumbo loan transaction. For a regular conforming high balance loan application, the origination fee is $1,504. So it's less than $150 difference. Because closing costs, it really depends on the how the buyer negotiate the contract with the sellers, and depending on which city the buyers are looking to buy, right? So those lenders, we have no control on that. Lastly, Tracy, I want to introduce our relationship discount program for the jumbo loan clients. Remember, in the previous talks, we mentioned about the asset discount. That discount can lower the interest rate for the client. So every 250,000 assets that the client bring over before final approval, Wells Fargo will give additional 0.125% discount on the rate, up to 0.5% discount for $1 million. So that can also drop the client's monthly payment as well.
So does the relationship discount only be able to use towards the jumbo loan? With the conforming loan, can they use the discount in that way?
Good question. So the asset discount program only apply to jumbo loan transactions.
Okay, got it. Great. Thank you, Annie, for all this information and give us some insights for for the current market. And this is so helpful.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, Tracy. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.